Lego's heartbeat, a rhythm we can trust. Horns honking, every single lane of blood. Street vendor, my sister, my son. Sweat on the brow, the days long hustle done. Another go slow under the African sun. Then I saw it right there on the ground. How the mango, not a plantain, only crimson sphere against the foes. So out of place, a wonder to behold it. Story in his skin, waiting to unfold. As fire, shine bright and bold. I cool Chris promise until I told her that it's the chaos for a moment of pure grace. Foreign fit in this familiar place. Did it fall from all cause for betrayal? Or land from a dream to brighten up my day. Sweetness only asks for you. Sweetness only asks for you. Sweetness only a little miracle right here, juicy secret on the street lamp store. Let your city spirit start to grow. Push the gentle prayer for this tiny treasure, a secret I will keep. The market's home, a distant fading sound. Don't eat this apple on this dusty ground. Yeah, can feel the pulse, the energy ignite. This little red home, making everything feel right. From the deepest market to the tallest block districts, feel a universal clock. Taking to a rhythm only Legos know, where unexpected beauty always flows. In the middle of the day or darkest nights, the unexpected that makes life sweet. The rhythm of the city can be beat. An apple in Lagos, a beautiful stray sight. The kingdom's mystery, basic bright, it fit give my beat sweetness on the asphalt. Sweetness on the asphalt. That little apple, a perfect flat, goes magic in every single breath. From the dust to life, from life to death. Keep that feeling shining like the sun. Another day, yeah. Our journey's just begun.